Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can lose your weight by using natural ingredients. Guys, if you are having a fats in your body and you are worried just because of these fats, this video could be helpful for you because here in this video, I'm gonna share with you a simple solution. By using it, you can burn your fats in the body. So I'm gonna divide this video into three parts. In the first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and my second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and my last part, it would be related to the process. So guys, now we are going to our first part of the video where I will share some benefits of the ingredients, what I'm gonna use for this solution. The composition of plain turmeric is a quick and the healthy way of losing weight. It is a very safe remedy, has no serious outside effect. However, there are a few things you need to take care of if you want to make the most of this remedy. These were some benefits of the ingredients. Now guys, we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this solution, we have needed only a single ingredient, and this is the turmeric. So guys, now we will talk about the quantity, what quantity we have needed. So for the solution, we have needed 3 tablespoons of the turmeric. These were some ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video where I will let you know the process. This is single step method, and the single step is consume a tablespoon of the turmeric powder. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what you have to do for this process. Number 1, have a 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder 3 times a day. Make turmeric a part of your daily diet slowly and gradually. Begin with taking about a quarter to half teaspoon turmeric powder every day. Raise the quantity after a week. Keep increasing your daily turmeric intake little by little till it becomes easier for you to consume 1 tablespoon of turmeric daily. Number 1, it's not advisable to have turmeric on an empty stomach as it may lead to acid reflux. Number 2, if you are on any kind of medication, consult your doctor before using turmeric for losing weight. Number 3, it is best to seek professional advice before taking turmeric supplement. Number 4, pregnant women and the nursing mother should avoid taking turmeric supplements. Number 5, an easy way to increase your daily turmeric consumption is by adding the spice to your food regularly. However, you must keep in mind that excessive turmeric will not only spoil the taste of your food but will also have adverse effects on your health. The recommended quantity is half to 1 tablespoon for each dish. So guys, that was the simple and the easiest way to lose your weight by using natural ingredients, but I'm gonna add one more thing for you. If you are not habitual to intake that much of turmeric, you can start with a 1 teaspoon and you can improve it gradually. So guys, that was our process to lose the weight, and next time I'll come with some other interesting and useful solutions. Till that time, take care.